a sale today. Another cam. Yes, it's another camcorder, but this one's kind of different from the other one. It's still the same model, but it's kind of a different one. It's the same model. It's the same model as the one I bought previously, but it looks different. See? 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 Oh, let me take the battery off. It's the same model. It's the same model as the one I bought previously, but look. You can still use it and stuff. Yeah, but look. This is what I like about these old camcorders. Even though they're not all high tech and stuff. I still kind of like these old camcorders. But if you do, oh, and here's the battery for this camcorder. It's still the same model. It's still the same model as the one I bought previously. I like I like the old technology, even though they're not up to date and stuff. You can still buy these old camcorders. They still work and stuff. You can still use these to take pictures and make videos and stuff like that, even though they're not up to par even though they're not up to par with today's technology. You can still buy them, but like if you're like one of those ones like me that like to buy old camcorders and stuff like that, leave a like on this video, and leave comment and comment whether you like to buy stuff from buy old camcorders and stuff like that, like old record players and vintage stuff like this. This stuff is vintage. Yeah, I said that this thing is kind of vintage. And don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to subscribe to Anime Warrior Pharaoh.